Video editing is extremely time consuming, but today that is about to change. I've just discovered a video editing tool that's helped me cut down hours of work into just minutes. Unlike any other video editing tool, such as Capcut, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Wondershare Filmora 14 is fully equipped with powerful AI tools that will make your video editing easier and efficient. You can get it on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Let's open Wondershare Filmora 14 and see exactly how it works.
First is turn your voice recording into a video. To access that, click on the three dots over here. Here are all the AI tools available on this app. Now click on audio to video. You have the option to upload the audio file you want to convert to a video. There's another option here whereby you can paste in a YouTube video link. But for this, we are going to convert our audio to a video. Now click on here and upload your audio file. Here, you can listen to how the audio sounds like.
You've probably heard it a million times.
If you don't like the audio, then you can click here to replace the audio. If you are satisfied with your audio, come down and click on language to select the language you want to use. For this, you select English. You select the type of content from here, either a story or history. For this, we are going to keep it on story. Select the aspect ratio from here. I'll be using this for YouTube Shorts, so I'll select 9:16. The duration is going to be set to auto at default. On the right hand side, you can select your video style. If you leave it at default, it's going to use anyone available here. But for this video, I'm going to select sketch illustration. Here, if you select character image, you are going to upload photos to customize your image. Come down, select material template, the kind of template you like. If you hover your mouse on each of these templates, you are going to see how each of these templates looks like. Anyone you like, you can select that. For this, I'm going to select this particular one. After that, come down and click on generate. Now we have our video ready. Let's take a look at this video.
But why exactly is it so good for your body? Well, protein is the building block of life. It's in every cell of your body. It's essential for building and repairing tissues. Whenever you work out, protein helps repair the muscles that break down during exercise.
That is our video. You can export your video by clicking on the export option, but if you are not satisfied with your video, you can still take your video to the next level by clicking on the edit button. And from here, it's going to take your video to the editor on this app. From here, you can add transition between your video. You can customize your video the way you want your video to look like. You can also change the images under your video. From here, you can add background music, and then if you are finally okay with your video, you can then go ahead from the upside where you see the export option, click on the export option, and then you export your video. The second one is AI translation. To access that, click on AI translation, import the media you want to translate. Click on media, click on import, select the video you want to translate, click on open. Click on the plus icon to add the media to the timeline. Hit project settings, and we have our media added to the timeline. To get access to the AI translation, click on text, then click on translate. Here you select what you want to translate. We have two options available to you: translate voice and caption. Only translate. For this, I'm going to select translate voice and caption, then select the source language, that is the original video language. For this is English, then select the target language. The target language is the language you want to translate the video to. For this, you are going to select Spanish. Here you can select either you want to detect speakers, you can add a lip sync, but the video I'm trying to translate is not a talking head video, so the lip sync won't be necessary. But if you are translating a talking head video, then you enable the lip sync. After that, you click on generate. After some few minutes, we have our translated video ready. Let's play this video so we'll see how the video looks like.
Probablemente lo hayas escuchado 1,000,000 de veces. Las proteínas son importantes. Pero ¿por qué es tan bueno para tu cuerpo?
You can go ahead to export your video. The next feature is the AI music and the AI sound effect. For those finding it difficult looking for background music for your video, this feature is going to solve that problem for you. To access the AI music and the AI sound effect, click on audio, then click on AI music, or you click on AI sound effect. Click on AI music, and then from here you can choose a tag by selecting the kind of mode you are going for. Then you can select a theme that you're going for, and then you can select the genre that you're trying to go for. After that, click on generate, and just like that, we have our music being created. You click on this download button to download the music before you use it. That is how the music sounds like. Click on it and drag it over to your timeline. Now, this is our video without background music.
You've probably heard it a million times.
And then this is our video with background music.
But why exactly is it so good for your body?
Next, click on AI sound effect, and here you can type in what you are going after, then click on generate. Click on the download option to download the sound effect. You can click on it, drag it under your video. And the next feature we have is the AI video enhancer. Click on AI video enhancer and then import the video you want to enhance. For example, this is the video I want to enhance. Come down to the right where you see AI video enhance. From here, you click on generate. Our video has been enhanced. The next feature is called planner tracking. To access that, from your right hand side, click on the AI tools. You're going to see the planner tracking. Click on the toggle button to enable it. Click on auto, and you're going to have this rectangle over your video. Here we have 4 corners. You can click on each of these corners to track the particular place. Make sure it's exact. Just track the particular place you want to track. After perfecting your selection, come here and click on start. After some few minutes, the tracking is done. You need to click on link element. We want to link an element to the body of this car. Click on link element and then click on none. So we are going to import from our computer. I'm going to import an image, and just like that, you can see that the image has been placed on the body of this car. Now let's play this video and see the final result. There are other tools available under the AI tools. We have chroma key, AI portrait cutout, smart cutout, motion tracking, AI object remover, stabilization, planner tracking, video denoise, AI video enhancer, and lens correction. The next feature is the auto reframe. Click on auto reframe. Then you need to import the video you want to reframe. Click on import, select the video. From the right hand side, make sure you select the aspect ratio. For this, I'm going to select 9:16. Motion speed, you can leave it at auto, fast, or slow. Anyone you want to go with is okay for you. After that, click on analyze. Let's play this video to see what we have. From here, you can export or you can add this to timeline to continue editing. The next feature is the AI text to video. Click on AI text to video, and from here you are going to enter your video script. I'm going to just use generated by AI. So from here I'll enter my topic, then I'll enter my video topic from here, then come down and give more details about your video topic. Then after that, click on generate text. Come down, you select the voice language. For this, we are going to go with English US. After that, click on the AI voiceover artist you want to use. Here you can listen to how the voiceover sounds like.
Simplified.
To select Christopher. From here, we'll select video ratio. Then you can clone your voice by using the AI voice clone on this app. After that, click on text to video to generate. The video has been created. So now let's play this video and see how the video looks like.
The hard shell of a tortoise is made of a tough, protective material called keratin.
The AI won't do all the work for you. So what you are going to do is just to change the footages in your video, replacing those footages with the necessary footages. You can go up here, use the stock media. If you click on that, then you will come down and click on partners. So here you can download any videos from any of these websites. After going through all these features that I've just demonstrated to you in this video, now you understand why Wondershare Filmora 14 is so good compared to Capcut and other video editors out there. There are other features which I wasn't able to mention in this video. For example, we have the smart short clips whereby you can turn a long form video into different shots. Then we also have smart scene cut, smart background generation, AI color palette. These are other AI tools available on the Wondershare Filmora 14. On this channel, I'll be creating more videos on most of these tools, so do well to subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video like this. Check in the video description or in the comment section of this video and you will see the link to get access to this app. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.